back to my YouTube channel, and this is the second day of my Vespa restoration. So here I am holding the side storage compartment for my Vespa. Let's see what I have done in last day. And yes, you can see over here the front end is done. Like I've installed the front fork and the mudguard, and you can see that the spring is all set, and also I have pulled out the cables and the speedometer is set, and the clutch is also done. And you have also seen that the switches for horn and headlight is also done. Like I took 2 days for completing this job because I had a hard time pulling out the wires and cable throughout the chassis from rear to the front. So you can see that it's completely done, and I also pulled the horn cable, and you can see that the speedometer wire is also dangling around. So, and now let's see. Yes, the rest of the thing is the same. I just covered it with this cloth, and I tried cranking up the engine with a little amount of fuel, and it did crank well, and I was having some minor tuning issues which I'll be covering in today or tomorrow. Assembly is also done. Like I have pulled the cable and wiring, and I've connected too. So that's like completed. I can start the engine as I said, and like the tuning is pending. And the ignition is dangling, and also I need to change these covers and the shifter adjuster and also the kicker. I'm planning on giving it to the chrome. And also you can see that the cap is having some, like it's getting peeled, so that's the excess paint which the painter has done. Can't help it, so I just need to remove it before adding more fuel, because it may get entered into the system and it might block the fuel path. So this side of it was already done in the previous video, but I haven't focused on that. So, and also I forgot to add the 2 bolts which is from the inside of the tank compartment. So I need to take out the tank once again and add the bolts and nut. And also here we have that the bottom garment is also there. The rear brake has to be done, and yes, I've added the rubber cable, like rubber boot for the clutch cable, and the shifter cable needs to be tuned properly, like it's to be pathed properly because it's having a tight bend at the tip. So that's it for my second video. Let's meet in third, and until then, take care and cheers.